how to split a payment on Square. Open your Square Point of Sale app and add the items to the cart like you normally would. Once everything is added, tap Charge. Before choosing a payment method, select Split Payment. You'll now see options to divide the bill. You can split by exact amount, custom amount, or separate payment methods. If you're splitting evenly, choose how many people are paying. And Square automatically divides the bill if each customer wants to pay differently. Just tap the first payment method, card, cash, or digital wallet, and complete their portion. Then process the remaining amounts one by one until the full balance is paid. Square will show each partial payment clearly so you can track who paid what. When everything is finished, Square marks the order as fully paid and gives you the receipt options. And that's it. That's how to split payment on Square. Fast and easy. Thanks for watching.